Let's also shift focus to Tata Motors commercial vehicle arm, which was listed at 335 per share, higher than the implied value of 260 to 270 per share. The Nifty has now expanded to 51 stocks with possible index inclusion later. My colleague Anjali Palod caught up with Girish Wagh at the listing of the Tata commercial.
Just to give some historic context, I think Tata Motors got listed way back in 50s, and that time it was Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company Limited. And proud to say that since then, I think the commercial vehicle business has been contributing to India's progress, especially in road transportation, infrastructure building sector. And today marks a very important historic milestone that we get listed as a separate entity. I think with this separate listing, it will help us to have a sharper strategic focus, looking at commercial vehicle business, both India and globally. It will also help us to strengthen the governance for which the Tata Group is known for. And as we go ahead, it will also give us empowerment to explore more and more opportunities for profitable growth.
Right. And on the Iveco deal, when is it expected to conclude? And are you expecting any margin pressure to come from that deal?
So the Iveco deal is currently under regulatory approvals. So we'll have to wait for regulatory approvals and then speak about it.
Okay. And finally, what are going to be the major growth drivers for the commercial vehicles business from here on? Any new technologies in, a future launches pipeline you could share?
So as far as growth drivers are concerned, I would say that the Indian commercial vehicle industry will align with the economic growth of the country. And I think with consistent GDP growth, we expect the Indian commercial vehicle industry also to do well. So that obviously will be one very important vector of growth. Beyond that, I think we are certainly looking at our downstream businesses, whether it is the parts and services or the smart city mobility where we maintain and operate electric buses, and also the digital business which we have created recently to improve the logistics efficiency. So I think these will clearly be the growth vectors for us going ahead. In addition to that, I think, as you rightly said, international markets, and especially within international markets, I would say Middle East, Africa should be some of the growth vectors for us.